Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to the Career Preview brought to you by the Adamantine branch of PureLife UK. So tonight guys, I'm going to be sharing with you, how PureLife UK can help you by being one of our part-time financial advisors. No? So kung naghahanap ka ng extra income, kung naghahanap ka ng side hustle that can help you boost your income, so this will be of great help to you. Okay, so guys, don't worry, mabilis lang to, 10 to 15 minutes lang to of your time. So please lend me your ears because I will discuss yung mga different things na kailangan yung malaman, especially kung magpa-part-time ka na kay ProLife UK. All right? So by the way, my name is Arman Blitz S. Romero. I'm a unit manager with ProLife UK. I've been with the company for the last 8 years. So nag-start ako kay ProLife UK as part-time financial advisor then. And I used to work with Philippine Airlines noong 2017. On July 2018, I decided to join Pru as part of its agency force as a part-time financial advisor. Okay, so basically, ikaw, kung meron kang profession right now, kung meron kang work, no, kung meron kang current job, no, so it's okay na mag-part-time ka kay Pru kasi flexible naman yung working schedule ni Pru. Pwede mo siyang isingit sa oras ng pasok mo kasi pwede mo siyang gawin before or after your work or even no, during your day off, pwede mong gawin ito kay ProLife UK. Alright? So, ang agenda ko for tonight, I will share with you sino ba si Prudef UK, the company, the career, ano ba yung ginagawa ng isang financial advisor, the compensation, paano ba kumikita ang isang financial advisor with Pru, yung commitment and the coding process. Alright? So let's start with the company. So who are we? Si Prudef UK guys, we are one of the oldest, one of the largest, and one of the strongest life insurance company sa buong mundo. So global po, no, globally known si Prudef UK, hindi lang siya sa Philippines. Okay? We started our operation in 1848 sa United Kingdom sa London. Ang maganda pa dito guys, si ProLife UK, kami po yung nag-pioneer ng investment linked life insurance, yung tinatawag nating insurance with investment plan. Kami po yung nag-pioneer noon dito sa Philippines. And guys, my dear friends, I am very proud to say na si ProLife UK, we are the number one life insurance company right now in the Philippines. No? So, that is something to be proud of kasi yung i-represent ninyong company, hindi siya basta-basta. No? Talagang number one, no, leading life insurance provider no, sa buong bansa. Okay. Now, in terms of the organization, no, we are part of the Adamantine branch. Adamantine branch is one of the top branches of ProLife UK. So, ibig sabihin, once you join our organization, you will gain access no, doon sa top-notch mentorship, no, so trainings, assistance, no, ng ating branch. Okay. So, all of us here, we started kay ProLife UK as part-time and we also came from different industries. No? Some of us are engineers, doctors, lawyers. Some of us are accountant. No? So different industries, no? So iba't ibang professions. But here in ProLife UK, we will have that equal opportunity to earn at the same time to become successful. No? So hindi mo kailangan mangamba kasi yung mga taong makakasama mo dito is talaga namang mga professionals. Okay? Now, what will you do as a financial advisor? Ano ba yung gagawin mo no, as a part-time financial advisor? Ano nga ba yung trabaho ng isang financial advisor? Okay, as financial advisor, we talk to people no, about their life goals, their fears, and the value of life insurance. Okay, so basically, ang trabaho natin as financial advisors, no, pinapaintindi natin sa kanila yung importance of having life insurance. Bakit? Kasi in case of uncertainties like critical illness, disability, accident, or death, no, malaking factor kasi yon sa family nila kapag na-experience nila yung ganong uncertainties, no? So tayo as financial advisors, our role is to protect our clients in case of uncertainties. Plus, kailangan din natin silang turuan how to properly save and invest their hard-earned money. So tutulungan natin silang ma-meet yung future goals nila dun sa current financial state or financial status nila. Okay? So sharing with you some of our financial advisors na nag-conduct ng client meeting or financial assessment no with their clients no. So ito kumuha sila ng mga plan no ng insurance with investment plan with our financial advisors. And guys no, isa to sa mga fulfilling na part no as financial advisor because we get to educate No, we get to secure and ensure, no, yung mga individuals, itong mga person na to through our plans kay ProLife UK. And guys, by the way, ang plan lang po na ino-offer ni ProLife UK is purely life insurance. No, we insure people, no, we offer life insurance plan with investment component. Okay. So, as we share this advocacy, we are also earning. Okay, kumikita din po tayo kasi we are licensed professional. So our commission or our income is based on commissions, no? Depende po yan sa number of sales that we have. Okay, so may corresponding monthly bonuses din po yan and you will experience achievement rewards and recognitions. Okay, so how will you earn? Now, in terms of compensation, you can earn as much as 55% no for every policy sold. Okay? Ganito po kataas at kalaki no yung commission rate dito kay ProLife UK. And hindi lang 'yon, 5 years ka pong may commission no for every client na kukuha sa ng policy. So sharing with you sample commission. Example, may one client na kumuha sa ng plan. 5,000 pesos per month yung kinuha niya. Since 55% yung commission rate mo multiplied by the annual premium, sa isang client mo, you can potentially earn 33,000 pesos. Okay? So this is the 1 year income, 33,000 pesos kung naka-annual mode siya. Pero kung naka-monthly mode siya, you will earn 2,500 pesos sa isang client. So imagine mo, 12 months no, may 2,500 ka just by having one client. So okay ba siya na additional income? Kung kulang pa yung 2,500, ang kailangan mo lang gawin is to ensure more people kasi the more clients you have, the bigger commissions you get. Okay? So example, so ito sample to ng actual commission of one of our part-time agents, okay? So 5 months na siya kay ProLife UK pero ito sobrang sipag kasi teacher to tapos sanay sa hustle, no? Tapos nag-part-time siya kay Pro. Tingnan niyo guys yung weekly commission niya. First week nakakuha siya ng 7,000, second week 75,000, third week 11,000 and fourth week 5,000. Okay? So this part-time financial advisor was able to earn 99,430 in just 4 weeks. Okay? So baka magtaka kayo bakit ang laki nung second week niya, 75,000. So probably dyan na pumasok yung mga bonuses, yung mga monthly incentives, no? So may mga ganun kasi tayo per month, no? So pagka like for example, na-hit mo yung certain amount of insured people in 1 month, no? May meron ibibigay si ProLife UK ng mga cash bonuses or cash incentive. So imagine for 4 weeks or 1 month, no, kung kikita ka ng ganitong extra income, malaking tulong siya sa iyo, tama? Especially kung marami kang bills na binabayaran, no? So kung meron kang savings na pinaglalaanan, no? So pwede mo siyang kunin dito sa iyong part-time job kay ProLife UK. So yung income mo na to, this will be on top of your income sa iyong corporate job. Tama? So guys, ang maganda dito, no, kumikita ka kay ProLife UK without leaving your current job or profession kasi nga ito ginagawa mo, side hustle, part-time. Okay? Now, ang maganda dito, the more clients you have, the bigger commissions you get. Imagine if you have 45 clients or more, yung potential monthly commission mo, sabihin nating mga 5,000 pesos per month yung average nilang kinukuha, you can earn as much as 120,000 per month. Okay, so hindi siya nakadepende sa kung gaano ka nakatagal kay ProLife UK, kundi nakadepende siya sa dami ng clients na mai-insure mo. So walang limit, sky is the limit, no? So depende siya sa sipag tsaka sa effort na ipuput into mo. Okay, now second source of income, you can also recruit. Okay, you can also share this business to your friends. Why? Because in the long run, pwede mong gawin yung business as a manager. Okay, so if you have the aspirations na mag-manager dito kay ProLife UK, tulad ko, na-promote ako kay ProLife UK noong 2020. Alright, so paano ko na-promote? Kasi bumuo din ako ng team under me. Okay, so you will start here as a financial advisor, as an agent, and eventually, kapag nakabuo ka na ng at least 20 financial advisors under you, you can be promoted as a unit manager and eventually promoted as a branch manager, having your own franchise or having your own branch. Okay? And with that, syempre, you will experience no to share the blessings also to your friends, to your colleagues, no? So if you have the heart to help others, you can share this business opportunity sa mga kaibigan mo. Okay? So itong picture na 'to, yung nasa gitna 'no, guy na naka-thumbs up sa gitna 'no, siya yung nag-invite sa akin dito kay ProLife UK 8 years ago. So he is already a branch manager 'no, with almost 300 financial advisors under him. Pero look at him 'no, nag-start lang siya before as a customer service representative sa isang call center agent. Pero right now, he is already a branch manager with ProLife UK. Alright? So, aside from that, ano pa yung mga gusto namin dito kay Pru? Siyempre yung purpose, no? Nakakatulong na kami sa iba, no? We get to fulfill, di ba, kung ano yung dreams and goals nila in life. Plus, in case of real needs, no? Yung kapag alam mo yon nangyari yung uncertainty sa buhay nila, instead of flowers ang dala namin is yung cheque. Yung cheque, which is ito yung promise na pinangako ni ProDef UK sa kanila. Okay? Yung check na 'to, this is the amount of money, their life insurance benefits or coverage na pinangako ni ProLife UK in case something happens to them. Okay. Next, time flexibility. Itong mga nakikita niyo sa picture na to, these are our teammates, no? So, part-timers to. So, meron kaming teammates sa Metro Manila. We also have our teammates sa provincial. Okay? So, you can work anywhere, anytime. Yun yung maganda dito. Plus, di ba, nakakamit ka pa ng mga tao outside your comfort zone. Okay? Yung time flexibility, super ganda. Now, next, team culture. Yan. Ang maganda dito, guys, we promote teamwork, excellence, humility, and generosity. No? So, ang kagandahan dito kay Pru, kahit galing kami sa iba't ibang industry, we have that equal opportunity na maging successful and to earn. In short word, tulungan po kami dito kay Pru Life UK. Alright? Awards and recognitions, isa pa sa mga favorite namin. If hindi ka na-awardan sa company mo ngayon, if hindi ka na-recognize dito kay ProLife UK, you will get a chance to be awarded and to be recognized based on your hard work. And hindi po basta-basta awarding to, no? Talagang pang star magic level po, no, yung ating awardings dito kay ProLife UK, no? And we conduct that monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, and annual awardings. And sino ba sa inyo dito yung mahilig mag-travel? Okay, kasi ako mahilig ako mag-travel, but alam niyo ba guys, since 8 years na ako kay ProLife UK, I was able to qualify to more than 20 plus international trips dito kay ProLife UK. And kapag na-qualify niyo po yung travel incentives kay Pro, for free po yun ha. Free po yung accommodation, free yung flight, no? Even free po yung food. Okay, sagot po lahat ni ProLife UK. And pag nagpa-travel po si ProLife UK, so that is for free. Yes, for leisure lang po yung travel natin. Hindi kayo magtatrabaho. Talagang mag-e-enjoy lang po kayo outside outside the Philippines or abroad. Okay? Next, kung ayaw mo naman mag-travel incentive, kung ayaw mo naman lumipad, pwede mong i-convert into cash yung inyong qualification. Ito tingnan nyo guys, no? Like yung Dubai Protection Drive incentive namin. Kung i-cash convert mo siya, nasa 98,000 siya per seat. Yung trip namin sa Australia, no, yung cash conversion niya umaabot ng 230,000 per seat. So pwede mo siyang i-convert into cash. You have the option to do that. Alright? So how do we support you? No, pag financial advisor ka na dito kay ProLife UK. So dito guys, there will be mentorings, guidance. Ang sabi ko sa inyo, 'di ba? Yung top-notch training assistance namin sa branch and sa district, lahat 'yan may experience ninyo. So kung wala kang experience pagdating sa sales, wala kang knowledge pagdating sa insurance, okay lang 'yan kasi lahat dito ituturo. Kami ang bahala sa iyo. Tutulungan ka pa namin sa fieldwork and especially on your first few clients, kami yung magpe-present on your behalf na para ipakita namin sa inyo kung paano ba mag-conduct ng financial assessment sa mga client. Now, ano yung magiging commitment ninyo? Siyempre, ang commitment ninyo is to do the business at least 2 to 3 hours per day. So minimum 2 to 3 hours tayo or 15 hours a week kasi you will need to, number one, to do prospecting. No, kailangan natin maghanap ng mga potential clients, i-approach natin sila, pepresentan nyo sila at the same time the after sales service. Okay? And another thing, you need to attend trainings and meetings. Okay? Kasi syempre, yung knowledge, yun yung puhunan natin, tama? In order for us to gain the skills no, of a great financial advisor, kailangan willing ka and committed ka to attend trainings. Kasi kapag hindi, no, so mahihirapan tayo na i-grasp fully no, yung identity of being a financial advisor. Okay? So yung trainings natin, by the way guys, hybrid din siya. May face-to-face tayo, meron din po tayong Zoom. Okay. Now, what's next? Anong kailangan yung gawin? So, in order for you to become a licensed professional, you need to take the examination. So, yung examination natin, this is under the Insurance Commission. So, sila po yung magbibigay sa atin ng license. So, kailangan nating ipasa yung licensure exam from the Insurance Commission or from the IC. Okay, so how much po ba yung license exam? So ang license exam ngayon is nasa 1,000 pesos and meron tayong debriefing fee na kailangang isettle for the branch. So yung debriefing fee natin guys, ito yung mga professional tax receipts natin, mga documentary stamps, no? So ito yung mga kailangan nating bayaran sa City Hall, no? And yung kit, yung welcome kit na kailangan yung ma-receive, no? And may training po kasi yung debriefing natin. So all in all, so that is only 2,460 pesos. Okay, so yun lang po yung kailangan ninyong investment for your license. Now, ang kagandahan po dito, meron po kaming reimbursement. So ibig sabihin, yung first 45 passers, no, starting today, 'di ba? Kung pumasa ka doon sa examination, i-reimburse po namin yung 1,000 na pinang-exam ninyo. Okay, so ang kailangan lang pumasa ka at ang kailangan is ma-code ka, no, makuha mo yung license mo. So kailangan galingan mo sa pagre-review. Magbibigay po ba kami ng reviewer? Yes, we will provide the reviewer for your exam. So don't worry, 50 items lang naman po 'yon. And guys, what's interesting pa, meron po kami ngayong debriefing fee na special offer, 20% off. So yung nakikita nyo 1,450 na debriefing fee, less 20%, nasa 1,150 na lang po yung kailangan nyong i-shell out. First 45 slots lang din po ito. So if I were you, talk to your financial advisor na friends, no, pa-schedule na po kayo agad for the exam and ipasa nyo po agad yung exam para ma-avail nyo po itong first 45 slots. Okay? So kindly communicate with your friends na financial advisors and ask if meron pang slot dun sa 45 slots natin for the reimbursement ng ICE exam and for the 20% off ng debriefing fee. Kasi in total guys, pag na-maximize nyo to, basically parang ang channel out nyo lang for your license, 1,150 lang. Okay? So next, ayan. So I'm very excited no for you guys to be part of ProLife UK. So if I were you, i-try nyo lang examination kasi yun yung first step muna ng pagiging isang financial advisor. Kailangan nyo muna makakuha ng license, kailangan nyo munang ipasa yung exam. Kasi guys, sabi nga ni Chinkitan, 'di ba? Trying something new may feel uncertain at first, but every successful career begins with a single decision to try. Alright? So i-try nyo lang siya kasi wala namang mawawala, no? Ang maganda dito, andito naman kami, no? We will guide you here in our industry and i-guide namin kayo every step of the way. All right? So, what will you do right now? Talk to the person who invited you and communicate kung ano yung next available or earliest available ISA exam. Right? So, with that, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching this video and we welcome you with ProLife UK. Thank you so much.